Okay guys, need your help with this mini bike here. Pick this up from Kavina. I'm gonna leave the information down below in the description. See if you guys could help me out with it. I bought it from the original owner who bought it in 1971. But he didn't know what brand it was because he was just a kid when he got it. It's never been started. Here's the motor right here, Tecumseh, 3 horsepower. Never had oil in it, nothing. Looks like he did a few upgrades. Maybe that band brake in the back. And then I'll show you the other side so you could see. So right there, little chain guard. Put that little deflector on the exhaust. But that's it. It looks similar to some of the frames I've seen, but you know, different in a lot of ways too. So any help would be greatly appreciated. There you go. Thanks guys. Let me know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.